Hello, all of you. Today, let's understand the poem The Voice of the Rain of Class 11. The poem The Voice of the Rain is written by Walt Whitman. It is a conversation between the poet and the rain. The rain explains its eternal journey in its birthplace, that is, the earth, to the poet. Let's begin. The voice of the rain. And who art thou? Said I to the soft falling shower, which, strange to tell, gave me an answer as here translated. I am the poem of earth, said the voice of the rain, eternal arise, impalpable, out of the land and the bottomless sea. In the above lines, the poet asked the soft falling shower, who are you? And जो रेन थी उन्होंने रिप्लाई किया, और वो एक बहुत ही स्ट्रेंज बात थी कि रेन बात कर सकती थी। तो पोएट से उसने बात करी और उसने एक बहुत ही स्ट्रेंज मैनर में उससे बात करी। द रेन सेड दैट इट वॉज द पोएम ऑफ द अर्थ एंड इट रोज कंटिन्यूसली फ्रॉम द लैंड एंड बॉटमलेस ओशन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वेपर्स। और रेन ने बताया कि वो बार बार वेपर बनकर ऊपर जाती है टुवर्ड्स स्काई, और वहाँ पर वो क्लाउड्स फॉर्म करती है। अपवर्ड टू हेवन वेंस वेगली फॉर्म्ड, ऑल टुगेदर चेंज्ड एंड येट द सेम, आई डिसन टू लेव द ड्रॉट्स, atomies, dust layers of the globe, and all that in them without me were seeds only, latent, unborn. Here are some of the meanings. You can just look at them. The rain tells the poet that it rises upwards towards the sky in the form of vapor, where it changes its form. That is, it condenses and forms water droplets. It also says that although its form gets changed, it still remains the same. The rain comes down to wash the drought and provide water. It also washes away the dust and small particles from the earth's surface, and the seeds inside the earth grow into a plant because of the water provided by the rain. It gives life to the seeds. तो वाटर वेपर जब नेचुरली कंडेंस होगा एंड फॉर्म्स वाटर, फिर वो रेन की तरह बरसात होगी और सारा डस्ट पार्टिकल्स और सब कुछ वॉश हो जाएगा, अर्थ एकदम फ्रेश लगने लगेगी, और जो सीड्स हैं अर्थ पर वो न्यू लाइफ प्रोवाइड करेगी ये सीड्स को, एंड दे विल ग्रो इनटू न्यू प्लांट्स. नेक्स्ट स्टैंजा. एंड फॉरएवर बाय डे एंड नाइट आई गिव बैक लाइफ to my own origin and make pure and beautify it for song issuing from its birthplace after fulfillment, wandering, wrecked or unwrecked, duly with love returns. So wrecked or unwrecked का meaning यहाँ पर it means whether cared for or not cared for. It doesn't affect the rain nor the poet if someone listen to the rain or not. So the rain says here that by day and night it provides life, care, enrichment, and water to the place from where it originated. The rain keeps enhancing the beauty and purity of the earth by preparing a life cycle for itself again and again. The rain is like a song that originates from its birthplace, just like the heart of the singer, and travels back and travels to fulfill the earth's needs and wanders. It finally comes back to the place from where it originated. Whether it is ruined or not, it returns to the original position with a lot of love to its birthplace. The whole poem is an example of personification. The poet has used a non-living thing here as a living thing in the form of rain. The rain being compared to a poem is a metaphor. We find that the last two lines are put within brackets because they are the observations made by the poet and his thoughts. He has found a similarity between the rain and music. The rain doesn't care if anyone bothers about her deeds or not. The rain completes its work and comes back home. The poet compares the rain with a song as they both share a common journey. The song originates from the heart of the singer, travels across to fulfill the aim, and comes back with due love for the singer who originally sang it. So that's the voice of the rain and its beauty. That's all for today. We'll meet you in the next session. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, English and Science Zone. Bye bye, all of you.